Hello, everybody. We have reached our first destination, which is the Black Canyon. So let's explore. Now we are in the Black Canyon. It is so nice, but so cold. And I really like the black rocks. But yeah, it's so nice. The water is so clear, so cold, and it's very dangerous as well. But it's so worth it. Hello everybody, we are on our way to Kolsai Lake and we have to transfer to a much smaller van because I think the road is smaller. But this is gonna be the van. So let's go. I love the sun. This is the weather that I prefer. Like, it's sunny but it's cold. So good. We are now going inside the small van. Dito tayo sa front seat. We're gonna party. We have made it to the stop, and then we need to ride a horse to go to the Kaindy Lake. So beautiful. Now we're gonna ride the horses. This is my horse. I'm gonna name her Georgette. Georgette, kaya mo yan, ha? Hello everybody, I am using my phone to record because my camera is about to die and I want to take like a really great video on the lake, so I'm saving its battery, but it is so slippery, but it's fun, so let's go. And I love the horse, but like they're walking there so slippery. We have made it to the Kaindy Lake. Eric, asan na yung organic encounter mo? Umalis na. Hello everybody, we are gonna have lunch now at Barsa. Hi. Say hello guys. Say hello. Our food is here. This is Kazakh food, right? What is it called again?
This one is a plov. This is Uzbek.
Plov. Uzbek. Oh, okay. This is plov. Azvasen. This is plov. That is mine. Got some curry, no?
You guys live in France?
Yeah. So my eyes move my body.
Hello everybody. Now we're on our way to see the Kolsai Lake. It's so nice. I look crazy, but we're here. Hello everybody, we have made it to the Kolsai Lake. It's so nice here, you guys. This is again Kolsai Lake and it's really peaceful. Oh my god, I'm so happy that I'm here. I'm so blessed that I have the opportunity to be here. And if you are in your 20s, definitely start traveling and definitely visit Almaty, Kazakhstan. Hello everybody, we are on our last part of the tour, which is the Charyn Canyon. I don't know. I'm honestly so exhausted already, but also I lost my glove, at least one pair, so.
So dear friends, welcome. So right now we are located at the heart of Charyn Canyon. The name of this place is the Valley of Crossing. Why Valley of Crossing? Because of the rock formation between the lines that shapes also its castles, towns. So that's why it got its name.
Ay, pagod na ako guys, but let's go!